So now we're solving systems of equations algebraically, which is more of an exact science than solving graphically. You can always check by graphing to see if your solution makes sense, but when we do this correctly and we solve algebraically correctly, we know the solution is correct. There's no guesswork involved like there is with graphing. So the first step is to isolate one of the variables, to solve for one of the variables in one of the equations. In this case, we have both of those are already isolated. We have y equals and y equals in both instances. So we'll just substitute for y in the first equation using the second. So instead of y, we'll substitute 5x equals 3x plus 4. Subtract 3x from both sides, and we get 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 2. So now we can substitute that into our second equation. Y equals 5 times, we solved for x to be 2, so y equals 10. And this tells us that our solution is 210. Now let's check our solution just to be sure. So for our first equation, we'll go ahead and move that over here. So we have 10 equals 3 times 2 plus 4. So yes, that checks. 10 equals 6 plus 4, which is 10. And with here we have 10 equals 5 times 2. So 10 equals 10. So it does indeed check, and our solution is 210.